Hey, greystorm. Greystorm. Why are you the coolest bird ever? You ready to show 'em why? Greystorm. Show them what you can do, man. Show them you is full of life and worth everything. He took a shit. He's ready. He took a plop. Come here. Give me a kiss, kiss. Where's my kiss, kiss? You didn't kiss me. No, you didn't. Which part? Because I didn't get the kiss, kiss. Well, you have to come out the cage to give a kiss, kiss. You lazy. Don't show them you're lazy. Show them you walk good. Show them you's a walker. Well, it's talking. It says I'm good to talk to. It says I got good personalities. You could talk to me, you know. Yeah, man. What? Come here. Don't let the bird fool you. It's not dumb at all. It's far from dumb. You know lights is on him now. He's ready to go. Come on, greystorm. Show them. Don't be stubborn then. You got 15 minutes. It's barely that. People get bored after 30 seconds, you know. Human is something else. Come on. It comes out. It talks. It shows love. It's a good fight, too. Well, come here. He knows how to get out. Come on. We know what you can do in there, but show us what you can do out here. Come here. I'm thinking about it, too. He's like, I think about it come out. You mean the light is on me, too? Look at him. He wants to play dumb bird now. Like he doesn't know how to come out the cage. Uh-huh. Don't roll your head at me like that. Like, I flex back. I'm showing people what I can do. Where? Right there? Give me a kiss. Kiss, kiss. You forgot my kiss, kiss. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You forgot it. Which one? Because I didn't get that one. That one I didn't get. Where? Right here, right there. He's stubborn too now. Look at him. Look. He doesn't want to deal with my fingers. Come on. Greystorm. Don't make me pick you up, man. I'm going to pet you like pets. He doesn't like the pet word. He doesn't believe a bird can be a pet. He doesn't believe it. He just believes he's a bird. He says he's definitely not a pet. I knew that. He said, I've been fighting all my life not to be a pet. Come here. Show them you come out. I'm going to pet you like pets.